Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can change your streak emojis. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Snapchat. Once you have opened your Snapchat, all you have to do in order for you to go ahead and change your Snapchat's streak emojis or even best friend emojis is simply by tapping on the top right triple dot icon on your screen right over here. And once you have done that, as you can see, it says customize best friend emojis. You want to simply tap on that, and over here, as you can see, you can customize all the emojis from Snapstreak to mutual best friends to mutual besties to BFs and to besties to BFF to super BFF, as you can see. So we are not here to change any other emojis, but we are here to change our Snapstreak emojis. So simply tap on Snapstreak, and now you can go ahead and select any emoji you want. So let's just say, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and select this emoji right here, and I'm simply gonna tap back and simply go ahead and tap back. And now, as you can see, my streaks emoji has successfully changed. So if you want to go ahead and reset it back, simply tap on the top right triple dot icon again and simply tap on customize best friend emoji and reset to default and tap yes. So there you go, it's as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below. If you have any other queries, you can simply put that down on the comment box below as well. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.